So this is how you're gonna save your videos from iCloud files to the Photos app, right? So if you just locate your phone and open up the Files app, inside of the Browse section, you can see many different locations. So you might notice that you can browse the local on your iPhone location, but also the iCloud drive. And when you get in here, you can see all of the things, which might also include your videos there as well, right? So what you can do basically is to locate that file and just download it and just move it over into the Photos app. And the way that you do this is by opening up the video, clicking on the share icon, and you can just click on a save video, and the video will be saved to the Photos app. So this means that the photo will be there, or the video or photo, whatever, will be stored again inside of the Photos app. So you can kind of move it back and forth. This applies to basically any kind of file or any kind of photo or video within the Files app. You can still click on a share and then save, and it will be moved over to the Photos app. Also, what's important to check out, if you don't want to use the Files app, you can still open up the Safari and sign into your iCloud account by going to iCloud.com. And there you can again browse through all of your files and photos and videos, which can also be downloaded to your local storage of essentially any device. So it's also very simple in that way. So let me know below in the comments which option you prefer or which are the things which you like. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next video.